commercial acumen then basically having a bit of a business head, being and don't let that scare you, even though you're not a businessman or woman, because it's a false scenario. So the business opportunity should be fairly obvious, but it says, just demonstrate awareness of that. Don't just be a textbook person. Show that you do have a little bit of business knowledge according to the scenario. So look at wider external factors. So if you know something about technology and how that can help that business, that would really help you. Use judgment to identify the key issues. Key issues might be you might need to do a low cost thing, you might need to do a high cost, a high quality thing. Be guided though by the scenario when you come to recommend solutions. Finally, show a bit of insight, show how you can perceive things well in managing conflict and arriving at appropriate solutions. So make sure that you're aware of everybody else's stance when you come to give solutions.